So welcome to this tutorial. The first thing I'll be telling you is a suit breast pocket is different from a welt pocket. We'll be making a line and we'll be making the suit breast pocket on that line. As you can see, the down piece I'll be using has already been folded on both sides. That is what makes it different from a welt pocket. So the upper piece will remain the same. You place both at opposite ends of the line you will be making your pocket, then you sew from one end to the other end of the down piece. I repeat, from one end to the other end of the down piece. Then when you are working on the top, you just sew in between both ends, if possible, very little distance. As you can see, what I've done now is sewing the down piece, then the upper piece is just a tiny distance covered on the middle. So we'll be going straight to the next process, which will be the notching. Now, mind you, the distance between the upper seam line and the down seam line, that's the sewing line of the top and the down seam line, should be small. So from there you notch downwards and you notch upwards to the edge. You do it for the left part and you do it also for the right part. So there will be no need just wasting time on that. So once you notch to that part, you do the same for the other parts as well. So we've done the same for the other part. The next thing will be to fold the upper part inwards. So you fold the upper piece totally inwards. Now you're folding that piece totally inwards because that piece will also serve as your pocket cover inside. So you'll be folding the down piece to as big a size as you want. Now this is another reason why the welt pocket is different from the breast pocket. The breast pocket actually gives you the opportunity to bend it to whatever height you want, irrespective of the distance between the upper seam and the lower seam line. Unlike the welt pocket, it is the distance between the upper seam line and the lower seam line that will determine the height of the welt pocket. But this one, you can fold it to whatever height you want, and the higher the height, the better, because it covers the seam line. As you can see, the seam line is downward, so the pocket covers it and it doesn't show. That's why I say the height must be very small. So we'll be going next to the process of joining. So after joining both pieces, that's what we got. So you can see the line underneath. I'm using a black thread for everything to be visible. So you join that to make the pocket actually firm. So as you can see, it is now firm. It is not detachable anymore. It is now firmly held. You'll be sewing the edge. For this process, you can reduce your stitching to very tiny bits. So as you can see, the edge has been sewn. So the work is almost 80% done. Every other thing to be done right now will be done inwards. And that is just to sew the pocket. You can make it a curve, you can make it a rectangle, but just follow the direction I followed there. So you should start from the ash color material, end on the ash color material. You trim, and voila, that's our finished product. So it is easier to do. You can do yours and tell me how it goes. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you.